Hi guys, in the last video we saw how to do basic maths in Python. Today we're gonna see what are variables in Python. So a variable is any letter or a word which stores a value. For example, I can to define a variable we can write a is equal to any value we want. For example, 15. Now we can print this value and not by typing 15 but a, so we can type print bracket a. So we are whenever we are printing a variable, we do not put the double quotes because double quotes are for strings, and we have seen that in earlier videos. So let's run this code. So as you can see, the output is 15 and I wrote print brackets and a. So now we can also do some mathematical operations through variables. I can define b is equal to 10. Now I can type a minus b and run. So the answer is 5, which is correct. Now I can also define a variable c which is equal to a minus b, and instead of a minus b over here I can simply write c, and let's run the code. As you can see, the answer is 5. Now let's try to multiply two numbers. So c is equal to a multiplied by b and print c. Let's run the code. As you can see, it's 150. We just put numbers into variables. Now we can also put words or strings instead of numbers and variables. For example, a is equal to strings, I mean quotes, and Rohan inside the quotes. Now we can print a. When we run this, the output is Rohan. So we can say hello, and after the quotes, comma a. So that means the output will be hello Rohan, like this. Now we can denote b as age, as the age of Rohan. Now so we want our output as Rohan's age is 19, and without typing Rohan or 19 inside the string. So we can say a, comma, quotes, and inside the quotes we put an apostrophe for Rohan's, apostrophe s, yeah, and Rohan's age is, and a comma after the quotes and b. So the output should be Rohan's age is b, that is 19. So let's run the code. As you can see, Rohan's age is 19. So this is how we use variables in Python. I'll be back with more Python tutorial videos for beginners. Till then, take care and bye bye.